In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profit using the Kucoin crypto trading bot. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or have been navigating the markets for a while, understanding how to effectively use trading bots can be a real game changer. So, let's dive in and streamline your trading strategy by setting up a take profit with Kucoin. First, you'll want to head over to the Kucoin trading platform. If you aren't familiar, Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a range of trading tools, including a handy trading bot that can help automate your trades for better efficiency and management. Once you're on their website, the next step is to log in. This is crucial because accessing your account allows you to use the trading features and bots that Kucoin offers. Make sure to have your credentials ready and log in securely. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Trade section. Click on Trade in the menu to access the trading dashboard. This area is where you can view market charts, select your trading pairs, and manage your trading activities. In our case, we're particularly interested in utilizing the Trading Bot feature. Next, click on the Trading Bot option. The Kucoin Trading Bot is a fantastic tool because it allows traders to automate trades based on specific strategies and market parameters without constant manual intervention. Within the Trading Bot options, you'll see an option labeled Auto. Clicking on this will allow the bot to use predetermined strategies to facilitate trading on your behalf. However, for those who like having more control over their trading bot's actions, there's also an advanced settings option. This is optional, but recommended if you wish to fine-tune how the bot operates. You might customize aspects such as investment amounts or specific conditions under which trades should be executed. Once you're satisfied with the settings, navigate to the Take Profit Price section. This step is crucial in helping you secure profits by specifying the price point at which you would like the bot to sell your assets. By setting a take profit price, you ensure that once the market hits this level, your gains are locked in. It's a strategic move to both capitalize on upward trends and protect against potential market declines. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can adeptly set up a take-profit strategy using the Kucoin crypto trading bot, enhancing your trading efficiency and giving you peace of mind. With these tools at your fingertips, you can better navigate the often volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading! And may your investments be profitable.